In this video, I'm going to show you how to get columns using Excel in N8N in a quick and simple way. If you're building automations in N8N and need to pull column data from an Excel file, this is the exact process you can follow. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast N8N tutorials. First, from the Nodes panel, search for and choose Microsoft Excel. This is the node you'll use to work with Excel data inside your workflow. Once you add it to your canvas, look for the option that says Get Columns. Select Get Columns so the node knows you want to retrieve the available columns from your Excel file. After that, you'll need to configure the node by giving the required details. Add the file information or connection details needed for your setup, and make sure the workbook or source is properly selected. Then review the settings to confirm the node is pointed to the correct Excel file. Once everything is filled in, you can run the node to get the columns from the spreadsheet. That's it. The Microsoft Excel node in N8N will return the columns for you, so you can use them in the next steps of your automation. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more N8N how-to guides.